Hello everyone. In this module we are going to learn how do we can slicing in n-dimensional arrays, and these are the following topics which are going to discuss. Firstly, we will discuss what is NumPy array slicing. After that, we are going to learn slicing of n-dimensional arrays by using slice operator. In the end, we are going to discuss slicing of n-dimensional arrays by using slice function. So let us discuss what exactly slicing is used in NumPy array. So basically the term slicing in NumPy is usually defined as obtaining a sub-array. Array slicing is the most important part of data analysis, and when you want to work on a subset of the array, then slicing is a technique where we can easily modify the content of ND arrays object. So this one is the easiest way to slice an array by using slice operator. For example, suppose you have an array of 10 elements and you want to extract some elements from an array. Then in this case we can perform slicing and get the required set of values from array, and it will display the sub array. So now we will learn how we can slicing in n-dimensional array. N-dimensional array means the array will be 1D, 2D, or you can say a 3D array. We are going to use the square brackets to get individual values from the array by using this syntax. So here is the syntax of slice operator, and array is the array object name. The first parameter, that is start. This parameter specifies the beginning index, and the next one parameter is end. It indicates the ending index. The last one is step. This parameter specifies the number of elements that are stepped over. Remember one thing, if one of these parameters is not given in the example, then by default values are used as start equal to 0, and the step value is start from 1, and the end value will be given size of the array. Now I will show you the example to how we can slicing of n-dimensional array in NumPy. Here is the example. First I have imported a NumPy library with the alias name np. After that we have created an array by using np.array function. So after creating an array, we have defined the slicing by using the slice operator in print function. In this example, we have to extract 3 elements from a given array. We have passed slice operator with 3 value. Next we have used the to slice operator, where 2 is the lower limit, and output arrays will start from the element of index 2. After executing this code, it displays the first 3 elements of array, and in the second array it will start from the element of index 2. In the previous example we have created a one-dimensional array, and in this example we have created a two-dimensional array. So to access values in the given array, we have used 2 indices, one for the column and another for the row. Both the column and row start from a 0 value. So if you want to extract 2 columns and 3 rows from an array, then you can easily use the slice operator with 3 value, comma slice operator with 2 value. So after executing this code, it will extract rows and columns from given array. Now let us discuss another way of slicing the array object by using the built-in slice function. So in this function we just need to assign the start, stop and step parameters, and it will extract the selected part of the array. The first one parameter is start, starting integer where the slicing of the object start. By default it provides none, and the next parameter is stop. This parameter specifies the end of the value. Next one is step, integer value which determines the increment between each index for slicing. By default it is none if it is not provided. Now I will show you the example to check how we can slicing of n-dimensional array by using the slice function. Here I have taken a one-dimensional array by using the np.arrange function, and then we have defined a slice object with start, stop and step value. In this example we have assigned the start value, that is 3, up to 8, and the step value is 2, and it will be sliced by using the slice function. In simple words, we can say that from 3 value every third element will be extracted, and after 3 we jump to the 5th value. So after slicing the array, it displays the sub array from the given array. Now we will see the another example of slice operator by creating a 2-dimensional array by using np.arrange function. So with this we have used the reshape function for the 2-dimensional array. After that we have used the slicing object, that is ARR, that indicates the array, in which we have mentioned the row and column number for extracting the sub array. So after executing this code, it displays the creation of array. After using the slicing object, it displays the sub array. So with this we have completing the basic slicing of NT arrays.